participate in any way. But by dedicating this evening to you, we have a great chance of showing our love and affection. While this Parents' Night offers the school and the students opportunity to honor parents, parents also get to see the artistic talents of students. Many times, you may not even know what your children are really good at. You think because he or she can do something really well, anyone can. Often that is not true. If they are doing something really well, nurture their talents and let them put their talent to work. So when they stand before God, they would not have a single talent left, and they could say, I used everything you gave me. Do not desire that your children live up to your expectations. Let them be who they are, and your expectations will be in breathless pursuit. Let them rise over the earth and touch the sky. Let them open their mind and fly high. We have all come a long way together. Some of you have been around in part of our Jesuit family for a long time, while others may have just joined recently. An African proverb truly says, it takes a whole village to raise a child. This is certainly true of Jesuit education. Jesuit education is holistic as it seeks the growth and the development of the whole person, encompassing the cognitive, affective, psychomotor, and spiritual domains. The programs and the activities of school are structured to facilitate the bodily, mental, spiritual, and emotional well-being, as St. Xavier seeks to foster those desires or talents that God has already planted in each student. The school, by deepening a sense of wonder, reverence, creativity, fidelity, communication, openness to, and charity to each other and to the whole world, seek to work for the transformation of complete person. Today's program is all about holistic development of the child, which the Jesuit education emphasizes, and transformational changes a child goes through in his or her school life. Let us begin and unfold the various programs which your children have prepared for you. Now, I leave you with this wonderful quote. The child does not begin to fall until he becomes seriously interested in walking, until he actually begins walking. Failing is thus more an indication of learning than a sign of losing, a sign of defeat. Dear parents, please view our failures as stepping stones to inevitable success. Be patient with us and keep encouraging and supporting us. Thank you. Have a great evening ahead.
Children enter the school as raw talents, and they are molded in the best possible way by their teachers. To fulfill the objectives of wholesome education, there is a balance between the curriculum and the co-curricular activities. The students get an opportunity to develop particular skills and nurture their talents. These activities actually complement the academic learning.
A Chinese proverb states, tell me, I'll forget. Show me, I'll remember. Involve me, I'll learn, I will understand. The school is a joyful place. Coming before you, now are the students of class 2 with their joyful presentation.
wando, nakakatatam, takko, takko, inigo, inipai, chiki-chaka-cho, gili-gili-man, sulu-sulu-man, makarak-bugo-bugo-rin, dugo-bugo-rin, chaka-taka-riko, chiko, sili-sili-sili-go, magadong, chiki-taka-cho.
We are still with the little ones. They are enthusiastic to show the transformation of a Goan folk dance from the ancient times to the present day. There is no singular definition of this dance form.
It's ethnically and culturally diverse.
And such is the uniqueness of each growing child.
Yeah.
to address the parents and share with them his joys and his concerns as he continues to steer the school innovatively into greater excellence.
Dear parents, guests and Zavarians, this is a long-awaited day for all of us. After several postponements, finally we are gathering here tonight for the first program in this fully set up auditorium. Thank you for your presence at this celebration. As I have stated earlier, the most valued feature of this auditorium project is the participation and support of the stakeholders. Even when malicious elements engaged in nasty propaganda and created all sorts of obstacles, we could count on your unflinching support. We have received generous financial support from parents. The school staff also have chipped in with their share. Our alumni also have contributed, perhaps somewhat short of our expectation. I will have to request all the stakeholders to help one more time, as we have many more bills yet to settle. The somewhat unusual name, Matches Jubilee Auditorium, was obtained by combining 2 of the 6 names proposed by Ruturaj, now a student of Standard 8. We will give him a prize tonight. Matches is a Latin word that means more or better. It is related to Ad Maiorem Dei Gloriam, in short AMDG, for the greater glory of God, the motto of Saint Ignatius of Loyola, the founder of the Society of Jesus, the Jesuits. While our